Today we discuss hyphenation and dash. Hyphens are used for two purposes. We divide a word at the end of line and we join two words as one. छोटा dash इसको कहते हैं. Use a hyphen to divide the word at the end of a line. ये पूरा जो प्रोसेस है इसमें जरूरत ज्यादा इसकी नहीं है कि अब जो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड है वो स्पेसेस को इस तरह एडजस्ट कर लेता है कि one does not need to break words. लेकिन divide a word between pronounceable parts only. अगर divide करना पड़े, break करना पड़े, spaces बिल्कुल बराबर अगर चाहिए, तो उसको legal documents में time required. One syllable words should never be divided. Break, for instance, ये ELA के बाद आप इसको अगर divide करते हैं तो that will not be appropriate. तो ये पूरा word लिखना है. Do not divide a word so that a single letter stands alone. जैसे I, so, ले. I, so, ले. ये दो syllables का जब हो जाएगा, तो फिर you can divide it. Not to see. It is two syllables. A word having double consonants should be divided between the consonants. Control, name. Will, yeah. Hyphenate compound words between the elements of the compound is on there. Like words, they, both. Use hyphen between elements of a compound. Hyphenate a compound modifier preceding a noun, a self-made man, and of the curved judgment. This state of the art. With the passage of time, this hyphen moves out, and it is no more required. Hyphenate a compound consisting of a prefix and a proper name. Anti is the prefix, Hitler. तो आपने प्रो रशियन, तो इसमें आपने हाइफन देना है. Hyphenate compounds of X and a noun. X president, so it has to be hyphenate. Hyphenate most compounds beginning with self, self-satisfied, self-conceit, selfish वगैरह के किस्म के self-same, selfless words जो हैं they are not hyphenated. We don't need to. अब हम बात करेंगे डैश की. डैश का आसान तरीका ये है कि वर्ड में आप एक हाइफन टाइप करें किसी वर्ड के फौरन बाद, किसी लेटर के फौरन बाद, फिर दूसरा हाइफन टाइप करें और फिर उसके बाद कोई लेटर लिखें, फिर उसके बाद स्पेस के बाद दबाएं तो डैश बन जाए. एंड डैश के इस्तेमाल जो है ये जनरल यूटिलिटी पंक्चुएशन मार्क नहीं है, लेकिन if you acquire mastery over usage, it will bring about dash to your writing or elegance to your writing. Command must be received. The dash should not be used as a general utility mark to substitute for a comma, period, semicolon, or colon. It is a specialized punctuation mark. To stress a word or a phrase at the end of a sentence, अगर हम ये करें, in the whole world there is only one person he really admires. अब अगर यहाँ dash लगा दें तो it will actually add elegance to the sentence. In the whole world there is only one person he really admires, himself. यहाँ पे dash लग सकता है. And now it is my pleasure to present a man we all know and admire, and whom we are all deeply indebted, Professor A.B. Khan. अब Professor A.B. Khan और indebted के दरमियान अगर dash लगा दें कोलन की बजाय या किसी और पंक्चुएशन मार्क यानी कि सेमीकोलन या कॉमा की बजाय हम अगर डैश लगा दें तो it will add elegance to the sentence. To sum up or complete an involved sentence. अब आप ये देखें ये एक involved sentence है. To live as a free man. अब ये देखें ये एक involved sentence है. To live as free men in a free country. Semicolon. To enjoy the right to think and speak as we like, semicolon, to feel that the state is the servant of its people, semicolon, to be a partner in the conduct of affairs of the nation. अब ये सारी चीजें अगर हम यहाँ पे डैश लगा लेंगे तो ये समअप कर लेगा all this is what democracy means to us. To mark an interrupted or unfinished quotation, I would like to quotation में he said but I am. तो यहाँ पे आप quotation mark dash mark नहीं लगाएं. When used in pairs to set off a pronounced interruption, अगर एक वाज़ेह किस्म की interruption एक sentence में यूज होती है, pairs में यूज होती है, वहाँ पे भी आगे और पीछे आप dash लगाएं. There will never again be, अब ये interruption है. You may be sure of this. So glorious in opportunity. यहाँ पे the interruption is preceded by dash. This answer dash, if you can call it an answer, dash is completely meaningless. To mark a sharp turn in thought. He is a humble man. अब ऐसे लगता है कि हम किसी शख्स की तारीफ कर रहे हैं. वो humble आदमी है, modest आदमी है. ये चर्चिल ने कहा था, प्राइम मिनिस्टर के बाद. He is a modest man. He is a humble man. ऐसे लगेगा कि हम तारीफ कर रहे हैं, लेकिन फिर हम यू टर्न लेते हैं. With a lot to be humble about. वहाँ पे आप sharp turn with partner. He praised Hamid's intelligence, his high sense of responsibility, his efficiency, his hard work. तो फिर अगर आप कहते हैं कि and then promoted his junior colleague, तो यहाँ पे sharp turn है, एक तरफ तारीफें हो रही हैं और फिर उसके बाद उसके against काम होता है, तो वहाँ पे sharp turn को emphasize करने के लिए dash is far better than in other punctuation mark. I know two kinds of audiences only. I know two kinds of audiences only. One cupping and one not cupping. अब अगर रीडर है वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा होगा कि डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ऑडियंसेस राइटर बताने लगा है, लेकिन आप बताने लगे हैं कि वन कपिंग एंड वन नॉट कपिंग. Enclose parenthetical element to give greater emphasis to elements that could also be set off with a comma. Still we do condemn, comma, we must condemn, comma, the cruelties of slavery, fanaticism and this. लेकिन ये जो डैश है ये इसको ज्यादा emphatic बना देता है, ज्यादा बेहतर बना देता है.